Okay, I wanted to take a moment to go over the punch card layer. So right now I am working on step 8. So on this one here, I don't have everything here done, I'll just tell you that. I just wanted to be able to quickly make sure that I could show you how to do this particular one. So section 8, select the background layer. So I'm on the background layer right over here. Create a new layer by pressing Control-Shift-N, or you can come up here to Layer, New, and Layer. It does the exact same thing. Control-Shift-Control-N. Okay. And let's see what we're going to name this one here. Name the layer Punched Card. And they want this one to be, to be honest, I don't see what they picked the color. Do not check the clipping mask one. Checkbox, do not choose red for your identification color. There we go, red. And do not change the opacity. Just leave it like the rest of us, just like it is, and click on OK. Good. Now we have the punch card layer. Okay. And we're going to adjust this so that it's under the background layer. When I keep looking at the book, I want to make sure that I'm following the steps in the order they do it in the book here so that I don't leave anyone confused. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the file, apply 3-1 punched card. So that'll be, so there is the punch card file. Good. Now the next part is actually going to be pretty easy. Arrange the documents of one above the other. So Window, Arrange, and I'm just going to come up here with 2 up horizontal, just like this. I want to be able to see the punch card, all of the punch card, but I don't want it to dominate this picture. So you saw that I zoomed out a little bit. I'm going to move this little bar right here, and I'm just going to bring that up a tiny bit. I want to be able to see all of the punch card, but I'm really more concerned with the main image down here, just to let you know. So I'm going to come to this image here. I'm going to go ahead and hide everything except the punch card layer. And that's everything except that. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can see this entire image because I want to be able to see the whole image here. Okay, so do they want us to do anything else? Press the S key to activate the clone stamp tool. Okay, I could press the S key. I can also just come over here and select the clone stamp tool. They both work. Okay. So now I'm up here. I think I want to make that circle a bit bigger, so I'm going to use the square bracket keys next to the letter P. Okay. And let's see here. Alt-click. Yep. So the next thing I'm going to do here is, remember I have to sample here, so I'm going to hold the Alt key down, and you see that gun sight. And I'm going to come right about here. I know I'm not actually on the punch card, but I want to be pretty close there. You could put it right here if you wanted to. I'm going to go for right about there, and I clicked. Now, come down to this one. Again, I'm going to make that circle bigger with the square bracket key. You can see the shadow of the punch card right there. So I'm going to paste that in, just like that. Now, the part is going to take a while. I'm going to tell you that is Alt-click. Alt-click there, that's good. The part that's going to take a little while is that each time you do this, you need to go ahead and resample, okay? See how I'm trying to get the edge lined up there? Good. Okay, so now just come to this one. Alt-click, come over here, come down here. So you're going to be doing this a bunch of times, just to let you know. But fundamentally, this is how you make that punch card layer, is just by doing this. And you can see that you're going to end up doing this a bunch of times, okay? There's no other trick to it. Then when you're done, you go ahead and you make everything visible, and you can see the punch cards behind the rest of the stuff.